Hey guys, welcome back to another video of mine. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss out. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are doing a soak off today. This is going to be a part of my playlist called Basic Nail Tips and Tricks. It's just going to be some basic nail skills that I believe all nail techs should do, beginners and advanced. So this is my way of soaking off acrylic nails, okay? Disclaimer, y'all, this is my way. This is how I do things. So you don't like it, you ain't gotta watch the video, okay? So as you just seen, I clipped down all the nails with a nail clipper. This just decreases the time, so you don't have to file all the length of the nail. You can just chop it down. It makes things a lot faster and it's much more efficient. I'm now going in with my Kiara Sky Coarse drill bit to go over all the nail and debulk any of the acrylic and get it as fine as possible. The less acrylic on the nail, the easier it is to soak. You don't have to soak as long because the nail is quite thin, so the acetone will eat into the nail. After all filing, I always like to dust it off because me personally, I hate the feel of dust. So always clean your client's hands, get rid of all the debris, and then we're going to stick that hand into soak. I'm then just going to repeat the same steps I did on the first hand to the second hand. I am going to speed this up just because it's literally the same process again. So once the second hand is filed, we are then going to swap and take the first hand out. I like to use a tissue just to like dry off the nails and make sure they're not like sloppy and wet or whatever. I always start off with the thumb when I do soak offs. It's a weird habit I have, but I just believe the thumbs are hell to get off. So me personally, I like to do the thumbs first to allow me to remove as much acrylic off that nail because the acetone is still wet. I hope that makes sense, but in my head it does, girl, okay? So yeah, I'm just gonna go over all the nails again, being very gentle this time, well, as always, just because now the acrylic is obviously flaking off and there could be potential of touching the natural nail. So we do need to like graze over the nail plate very lightly, ensuring that we're not touching the natural nail at all. I like to start filing the natural nails at this stage just to give the second hand a little bit more soaking time, and so I do shape even though all the acrylic is not off the nail yet, obviously to the desired shape that the client's wanting. In this case we are doing square, and just keeping them nice and short and cute or whatever. So again, like I said before, we're going to repeat the whole process onto the other hand. I am again going to speed through this section. The footage isn't that great as well. I'm off shot a lot, so I apologise for that, but literally is the same steps as we just done. Now I'm just going in with my nail file to just remove any excess acrylic off. We do not need to use the electric drill at this stage now because majority of the acrylic is now off the nail. It's just a little flaky bits left, so a hand file will suit just fine. So now I'm using my cuticle pusher just to push the cuticles back very gently. I'm now using my cuticle nippers to get rid of any excess cuticle. I am going to do a video of cuticle work up close so you can all see. It'll be very short but very informative as well, just to go over the different techniques you can do when removing cuticles, because not everyone believes in removing them or whatever, but I will go into depth into that video, in that video even. So yeah, stay tuned for that also. Then using a fine sanding band, I just lightly graze over the natural nails to ensure there's no acrylic left over and the nails are all smooth. So using the softer side of the buffer, I'm just going to buff over the nails and underneath the nails so there's not any little bit. The nails are now done, just need to apply some oil and Bob's your uncle. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do want to see more, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. Thank you.